If your truck feels like it is slipping out of gear or your shifts are getting extremely harsh lately, you could be dealing with an internal friction element problem that has triggered the code P079C. This is a generic trouble code for vehicles with automatic transmissions, and it means the engine control module has detected a slip in the friction element designated as C. Think of these friction elements like the internal clutches that grab and hold to transfer power to your wheels. When the computer sees that the engine speed and the output speed do not match up the way they should while that specific element is engaged, it throws this code to let you know something is wrong. One of the most common but overlooked causes in the United States is actually having mismatched tire sizes or uneven tire pressure. If you recently put on a spare tire or bought a used tire that has a slightly different circumference, it can trick the transmission control module into thinking the internal clutches are slipping. Always check your tire sidewalls to make sure all 4 tires are the exact same size and that they are all inflated to the correct pressure listed on your door sticker. Beyond the tires, the overall health of your automatic transmission fluid is the most important factor here. Low fluid or dirty fluid that has lost its ability to provide proper friction will cause this code every single time. You might feel the vehicle struggling to find the right gear or notice a major loss of torque when you step on the gas pedal. To start troubleshooting, check your dipstick while the engine is warm and running. If the fluid is low, top it off with the exact type of fluid recommended by your manufacturer, but be careful not to overfill it. If the fluid looks like dark coffee or has a burnt odor, you should perform a full service including a new filter and gasket. Check the master wiring connector on the side of the transmission case for any signs of water intrusion or oil saturation which can cause a short circuit. Vibrations from driving on rough roads can sometimes shake these connectors loose over time. If a fluid change and a tire check do not fix the slipping sensation, you might be dealing with worn-out internal friction material or a faulty transmission control module. This is a serious issue that you should prioritize immediately because driving with a slipping transmission will generate massive amounts of heat that can melt internal seals and lead to a total rebuild that costs thousands of dollars. If the problem persists after basic maintenance, it is definitely time to visit a certified technician who can perform a pressure test on the hydraulic circuits to see if the valve body is failing.